Yeah. Don't you just love the smell of eggnog? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Alyssa Michelle, and today is Vlogmas Day 2. And for today's Vlogmas, I'm gonna be making some sugar cookies. Some sugar cookies. Hey, and so the sugar cookies, you guys, it says that they're Christmas tree shaped sugar cookies. And so this sounds like it's going to be delicious. So if you're ready, like I'm ready, I'll meet you at the oven. And I'm back. And it's time to make those sugar cookies. And so the first thing you do, make sure you get your ingredients that you need. Make sure you get your ingredients that you need, or your supplies that you need, should I say. And you open up this box and you follow the directions. So this is what those cookies look like. This is what they look like. So now I'm just going to cookies off the pan, off the pan. I'm going to take the cookies off. All right, you guys, so now the cookies are out of the pan. Out of the box and out of the wrappings. And so this is what the little cookies look like, you guys. This is what they look like. That's what they look like, you guys. And so you just take these and you're gonna lay them on your pan. Lay them on your pan. You're supposed to use a non-stick pan. If you don't have one, it's fine. Use whatever you have. Just make sure that you spread your cookies out enough so that they can all have enough room to pop. So, yeah. Just make sure you give your cookies enough room to do their little shindig or whatever they do. Yeah, you guys. So, so when I was a little younger, like when I was a kid, this was like me and my siblings' favorite part of Christmas, making cookies. Typically, this was something we did on like Christmas Eve type of thing. We made cookies, and one year we did gingerbread houses. But yeah, this is something we typically do on Christmas. So I need to get another pan because I realize this is not big enough. Wait, maybe. Let's see. I may be able to make it big enough. They have to be like 2 inches apart from each other. You know. All right now guys, I have my cookies onto the pans. I have a few extra cookies left. I use that for something else, but I have my cookies onto the pan and the oven is ready. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys into the oven and I'll see you guys later. Now my cookies are in the oven and I'm just going to go watch some TV, drink some eggnog, and I'll catch you guys in a sec to check on the cookies. All right? Don't go anywhere, you guys. All right, guys. So I'm going to get my eggnog and my mug. Give me some eggnog. And I'm going to watch a movie until those cookies are almost ready. Yeah. Don't you just love the smell of eggnog? Let me know if you like eggnog down below. If you don't, what's your Christmas drink alternative? Because it's like a Christmas type of thing. See? Ready to serve eggnog. Things. So, I'm going to go pop this back in the fridge and go watch a movie. So, you guys, this is the movie that I chose. Can anybody guess what movie this is? Comment down below what movie this is. I have my eggnog going on right there. The cookies are smelling pretty good. I've checked on them a couple of times. I think I'm going to go check on them again. So come with me, you guys, while we go check on those cookies. I'm going to go check on the cookies. You can see them. So that's what they're looking like. They smell like they're done. But that's what the cookies look like. That's what they look like, you guys. So I think they're about done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to get right back to you guys. All right? All right, guys. So I'm about to take these cookies out of the oven. Give me a second. All right, you guys. So this is what they look like. This is what the Christmas cookies looks like. So I'm about to taste one, you guys. So here's it. They're pretty good. Are delicious. Be the end of today's Vlogmas. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload. Until tomorrow, I'm out. Well, I thought I was out. But then I was thinking, as I was editing this video, Alyssa, what could make this video more interesting? And then I thought, go on YouTube and look up a trivia. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the trivia and just to make it a little bit more fun. So this is the trivia I chose, you guys. It's called the Christmas Quiz. I hope you are in a festive spirit, and you must answer each question with either true or false. Let's find how much you know about Christmas. Question number 1. In Japan, Santa is said to live on the moon. I've never heard about that, but I'm going to say true. Just because that sounds like something that would be true. The answer is false. It was made up by a popular comedy, The Simpsons. See, that's why I said it was true, because I watched Simpsons when I was growing up.
Question 2. The Australian Boxing Day before Christmas is boxing up gifts they don't want and returning them to the store. I don't know. I guess true. False. No, true. False. True. Boxing Day is when servants will receive gifts known as Christmas boxes for their employees. I said false, so I don't know if I get that point. Question 3. It's going to be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer originated from an advert for a department store. False. True. I don't know. You guys, help me out. Comment down below what the answer is. Is it true? False? Maybe. So, true. He was a Chicago place Montgomery Reward. Woo woo, Chicago. Question 4. In the Canadian version. True. I don't feel like that would be anything that was false. It was false. What monsters would be in Christmas trees? That's true, but I don't know. That sounds like something silly. That's false. Because, I mean, I've never been to Japan. I don't know if they have KFC over there, but I feel like that's false. That just sounds like something that's false. I'll be surprised if it's true. The turkey doesn't breed naturally in Japan, and so KFC decides to create a slogan. Christmas equals Kentucky. Question 6. In Mongolia, their version of Santa is a gift-bearing camel. Mongolia. True. I feel like this is true. The answer is false. Don't tell me you fell for that. I guess they're calling me slow, you guys. Question 7. In Ukraine, spiders and spider webs are traditional. That sounds really idiotic. True. I think. False. True. Yeah! In Ukraine, spiders represent good luck. So Ukrainians decorate their Christmas trees with spider webs to usher in good fortune for the coming year. Question 8. You guys, I really don't know how long this thing is. In Finland, Santa doesn't ride on a sleigh. Instead, he rides on a goat. That's false. That's completely false. I don't think it's a goat, but it's false that he rides on a goat. The name of the goat. That was true, you guys. Who would have known that he doesn't ride on a sleigh, he rides on a goat, and then the goat has a name? I'm amazed right now. But back to the thing. True. So, how many did you get correct out of 8? Tell us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and perhaps learned something new about the most wonderful time of the year. I hope you all have a great Christmas. Please make my Christmas special by... Alright, you guys, like you said on the clip before, make my Christmas special by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload something. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Leave a comment down below if you got some of these questions right. And also, let me know, like I said before, let me know what your favorite holiday drink is. Mine is eggnog, personally, but some people don't like the taste of it.
So let me know. I want to know what you like. Maybe I can try it one day. Until tomorrow, you guys, I'm out.